Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing unit number 7, that is sports. Okay, and in today's session, I am going to continue with the same unit, that is unit number 7, and the name of the unit is sports. Okay, so the next topic from the same unit is sports and their places of origin. Okay, so this is the next topic, sports and their places of origin, and this topic is given at page number 50. Okay, so class, open your books at page number 50, that is sports and their places of origin. Sports and their places of origin. The topic is sports and their places of origin. This is the next topic. Okay, and this is given at page number 50. And this topic is given at page number 50. Sports and their places of origin. Okay, so देखिए, what is the meaning of this sports and their places of origin? So the meaning of this topic is that, as you know, that हर कोई भी चीज़ होती है, if we talk about anything, you can take anything, okay, किसी भी चीज़ की हम बात करें, so that thing starts for the first time from somewhere. तो वो चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी पहली बार शुरू होती है. ओके, कोई भी चीज़ हो, चाहे इंसान ने कपड़े पहनने शुरू किए हो, इंसान ने खाना खाना शुरू किया हो, एनीथिंग, मतलब कुछ भी चीज़ को सोच लीजिए, पढ़ना लिखना शुरू किया हो, बात करनी शुरू की हो. सो देयर इज समथिंग, मतलब हर चीज़ का जो पहली बार कहते हैं ना, एक बार ये पहली बार ओरिजिन होता है जहाँ से वो शुरुआत होती है. ओके, सो इन दिस टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द स्पोर्ट्स एंड देयर प्लेसेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, कि वो पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स कहाँ से शुरू हुए, उनके जो प्लेसेस ऑफ ओरिजिन है वो क्या है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट कि कौन सी कंट्री में शुरू हुए. ओके, स्पोर्ट्स एंड देयर प्लेसेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, कि वो जो पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स है वो कौन सी कंट्री में उसका ओरिजिन हुआ, कहाँ से उसकी शुरुआत हुई. ओके, सो हो सकता है देयर सर्टेन स्पोर्ट्स दैट आर बीइंग स्टार्टेड विद सम काइंड ऑफ, यू कैन से, मतलब एक किसी चीज़ की इंस्पिरेशन से दे हैड जस्ट स्टार्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. तो देखिए, हर स्पोर्ट्स की शुरू होने की देयर इज सम स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. ओके, आई डोंट नो द होल स्टोरी ऑफ ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स, बट सम ऑफ देम आई नो दैट आई विल टेल यू इन द क्लास एज वेल. ओके, सो एवरी स्पोर्ट्स हैव देयर ओन स्टोरीज. ओके, सो एट व्हाट टाइम दे विल ऑरिजिनेट, और किस टाइम पे वो शुरुआत हुई उनकी. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन. ओके, सो देयर देखिए, सो इन द बुक एट पेज नंबर 50 इट इज गिवन, match the following sports to the names of the countries where they originated. So now we have to match the name of the sports with the name of the countries from where they have been originated, कहाँ से उनकी शुरुआत हुई. Okay, so starting with the first one. So the first sports. Okay, so देखिए, as you can see the pictures are also given. So these are the pictures of various sports that are given here. Okay, so now while seeing at this sports, so let's find out. Okay, match the following sports to the names of the countries where they originated. So हमें इस कंट्रीज के स्पोर्ट, ये जो पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स है वो कौन सी कंट्री का ओरिजिन है उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए we have to mention the name of the countries from which country they have been originated, कहाँ से उनकी शुरुआत हुई. Starting with the first one, that is rugby. So rugby, it has been originated from England. ओके, जैसे हमारी नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स, व्हाट इज द नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज हॉकी. ओके, सो रग्बी इज ऑल्सो द नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंग्लैंड. सो रग्बी हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. तो रग्बी जो स्पोर्ट्स है उसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ था, इंग्लैंड से. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज, द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स इज रग्बी एंड द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री फ्रॉम देयर इट हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड, that is England. Okay, this is the name of the country from where it has been originated. Okay, now देखिए, if we talk about the game, so what is this rugby? ये rugby क्या है? So in this बेटा क्या होता है, जैसे there are certain number of players in the each team, equal number of players in the each team. I think 6 or 7 number of players are there in each team. Okay, and they are having an oval shaped ball. So they are having a ball that is in oval shape. Okay, oval shape में होती है, egg shape जिसको हम बोलेंगे. Okay, so that is in oval shape. Okay, the players what they have to do, they have to carry that ball in their hands. Okay, and then they have to run. फिर उनको भागना है. Okay, और उनका जो गोल पॉइंट होता है एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिट टीम के ऑपोजिट, okay, एक दूसरे ऑपोजिट टीम के गोल पॉइंट में जाके दे हैव टू जस्ट, मतलब वो जो लाइन होती है वहाँ तक उस बॉल को क्रॉस करवाना होता है. ओके, सो दे हैव टू कैरी दैट बॉल इन देयर हैंड एंड वाइल रनिंग, ताकि उनके गोल तक पहुँचने के लिए. तो उस टाइम पे वो अपनी जो रग्बी बॉल है वो अपने अपने टीम्स के जो मेंबर्स हैं उनको भी पास ऑन करते रहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द रग्बी गेम एंड रग्बी हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड अ वेरी लॉन्गेस्ट वेरी टाइम बैक. ओके, जैसे कि हम इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द फुटबॉल, तो फुटबॉल में तो जो लेग से किक करते हैं, बट इन रग्बी दे हैव टू कैरी देयर बॉल्स इन देयर हैंड्स. ओके, सेकेंड वन, द सेकेंड गेम इज the second game is polo. The second picture that you can see in your book, that is of the game polo. अब ये polo game क्या है बेटा? So this polo game is being played on horses. Okay, जो polo game है it is played on horses and there are 5 players in each team. So देखिए 2 players, 5 players होते हैं 2 teams के. Okay, and they are sitting on their horses. From one hand they have to hold that horse on which they are sitting, and from the second hand they will be having a मतलब जैसे वो golf stick होती है ना, so they are having a stick in their hand. Okay, this is like a golf stick you can say. Okay, तो when then they have to hit a ball. एक छोटी सी white कलर की बॉल होती है छोटी सी, तो उनको जो स्टिक जो उनके हाथ में होते हैं they have to hit that ball with their stick while riding the horse. Okay, and the team who scores the maximum numbers of score, okay, that team is considered as the winner. Okay, so polo game is being played by the players. Okay, and there are only 5 players in each team and they wear a proper मतलब horse riding suit. They just wear the horse riding suit. Okay, they wear helmet so that in case अगर वो कहीं भी गिर जाते हैं तो उनकी किसी भी तरह की उनको इंजरी ना फील हो. So that's why they wear the head-wearing helmets also, so that they can save themselves whenever they fall. Okay, and the next is, and they play this game while sitting on the horse. From one hand they are holding the horse and from the second hand they are having a stick, okay, with which they hit the ball to make a score. So this game polo, so from which country this polo game has been originated? So this polo game has been originated from Iran. Since this polo game has been originated from Iran. So the answer of the second one is Iran. Second game is polo. The second game is polo and it has been originated from Iran, and that is option number A. That is Iran. So polo game has been originated from Iran. पोलो गेम का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ? ईरान से. Moving next to the third game. So the third picture is of the game that is baseball. Okay, so ये एक स्क्वायर शेप में एक पिच यू कैन से कि पिच होती है जिसके ऊपर जो 4 प्लेयर्स होते हैं अलग अलग साइड, चारों साइड पे, एंड दे जस्ट प्ले. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्ट अबाउट अ बेसबॉल. ओके, तो इसमें 4 प्लेयर्स दे विल हिट अप, मतलब दे आर हैविंग अ बैट. Okay, that is a baseball bat. Okay, baseball bat और cricket bat is far different from each other. मतलब उसका look काफी अलग होता है. In the baseball also, they have to hit the ball with that bat, baseball bat. Okay, and then they take a square run by, मतलब वो एक स्क्वायर सा बना होता है, उसके वो भागते हुए एक जो सर्कल कंप्लीट करना होता है, ऐसा कुछ होता है. सो दैट इज अ बेसबॉल. सो दिस गेम इज अ बेसबॉल. So from which sports, from which country this baseball game has been originated? So baseball game has been originated from USA, that is United States of America. ओके, तो बेसबॉल जो गेम है उसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ था? यूएसए, दैट इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. The third game is baseball, B-A-S-E, baseball, and this game is the origin of USA. That is option number H. That is USA. USA means United States of America. USA is United States of America. So the baseball game has been originated from USA. Okay, moving next to the fourth one. So the fourth game is sumo wrestling. So the fourth game that we are talking about, that is sumo wrestling. Now what is sumo wrestling? So sumo wrestling is a wrestling, just okay, its name signifies that it's a kind of wrestling. इसका नेम ही बता रहा है कि this is a kind of wrestling. So what is it in this wrestling or sumo wrestling? Sumo wrestling में है क्या बेटा? Okay. In sumo wrestlings, okay, the two sumo जो होते हैं, the two sumos, they fight with each other. So first of all, that what is sumo? तो देखिए, जो सुमोज होते हैं तो जिनको हम सुमो पहलवान बोलते हैं, जो सुमो फाइटर्स होते हैं, व्हाट दे डू, ओके, देयर एज इज वेरी लेस, मतलब वो बहुत ही कम उम्र के होते हैं. सो स्पेशली सम सिलेक्टेड, सम कहते हैं कुछ some selected young men, some selected young boys, you can see, okay, कुछ selected young boys, they have been selected, some from the last number of boys, some boys has been selected, okay, फिर उनको they have been fed, okay, उनको खूब खिलाया पिलाया जाता है, so that they can put on so much weight, okay, because in sumo wrestling the weight of the opponent sumo is matters more than the anything else. ठीक है, तो क्या कहते हैं कि सुमो पहलवान जो होते हैं वो कुछ ही सिलेक्टेड बॉयज को बनाया जाता है, उनको खूब खिलाया पिलाया जाता है, सो दैट दे जस्ट पुट ऑन वेट, उनको खूब मतलब खिला पिला कर उनको मोटा ज़्यादा कर दिया जाता है. ओके, बिकॉज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट कि जो सुमो जो रेसलिंग होती है, सो इसमें जो मेन चीज़ होती है दैट इज द योर विक्ट्री डिपेंड्स अपॉन द वेट ऑफ द सुमो. ओके, ओपोनेंट सुमो, जो किसी भी सुमो की जो विक्ट्री डिपेंड करती है, जिसके ऑपोजिट जो सुमो पहलवान होता है उसकी वेट के ऊपर, बिकॉज दे हैव टू, मतलब उनको क्या करना होता है, उनको जो ऑपोजिट सुमो जो एक दूसरे को मतलब गिराना होता है. तो सबसे पहले सुमो जो गिर जाता है, ओके, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड, मतलब वो ही लूजेज द मैच. ओके, एंड द सुमो हु मतलब जो दूसरे पहलवान को गिरा देता है, दैट इज नोन एज, ही इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ विनर. Okay, so in sumo wrestling the main thing that matters is the weight of the sumo. Okay, and for gaining so much weight, the young boys, they are fed so much with this different kinds of food items so that they can just put on so much weight. Okay, and then when they give the proper accurate weight, whatever there is जो भी उनकी limitations होंगी, okay, उसको when they put the required weight, then they are being appointed for the sumo wrestling. ओके, एंड दे डू द सुमो रेसलिंग. ओके, एंड सुमो रेसलिंग में क्या होता है, उनको बस अपने जो ओपोनेंट सुमो रेसलर होता है उसको गिराना होता है. ओके, बिकॉज दे आर सो मच हैवी, क्योंकि एक बार गिरने के बाद वो दोबारा उठ नहीं पाएंगे, बिकॉज दे आर सो मच हैवी. ओके, सो दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट अप अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वेट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट एंड द फोरमोस्ट you can say the motive of any sumo wrestler in the sumo wrestling is that he just want to pull down the another sumo wrestler who is standing before him. Okay, so from which country this sumo wrestling has been originated? So this sumo wrestling has been originated from Japan. तो जापान की जो मेन जो ये सुमो रेसलिंग है, ये कहाँ का ओरिजिन है, दैट इज ऑफ जापान. ओके, so sumo wrestling is the origin of Japan. That is fourth one. The fourth is sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling, and sumo wrestling is the origin of Japan. Japan. Sumo wrestling is the origin of Japan. Okay, moving next to the fifth one. The fifth game is ice hockey. So fifth game जिसकी हम बात करें that is ice hockey. So just like hockey, this ice hockey is being played. इसमें भी दोनों टीम्स में प्लेयर्स होते हैं. Okay, and they are playing in a proper court. Okay, तो हॉकी कोर्ट पे वो खेलते हैं. कोर्ट नहीं कहते, हॉकी ग्राउंड होता है. इट्स नॉट अ कोर्ट, तो हॉकी ग्राउंड में खेलते हैं. Okay, and they have to score in the goal of the opponent team. But the difference between the hockey and the ice hockey is that in the ice hockey they have to do the skating as well on the ice. तो ice hockey में क्या होता है, जो hockey players होते हैं they have to skate as well. Okay, तो भागते हुए उनको skating भी करनी होती है on the ice. तो ice skating करते हुए, तो this you can see this ice hockey is the combination of ice skating and हॉकी. इसमें क्या होता है, जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं उनको आइस स्केटिंग करनी होती है बट अलॉन्ग विद प्लेइंग द हॉकी. ओके, तो देखिए, सो दिस इज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट वेरी डिफिकल्ट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल हॉकी. द नॉर्मल हॉकी के कंपैरेटिवली दिस ice hockey is little bit difficult. So the reason is because they have to skate as well, so they have to maintain their balance so that they can't fall again and again. Okay, because once they fall, so it will be very difficult for them to get up. Okay, because you know the ice is very slippery and it is very difficult to skate on an ice ground. Okay, so the fifth game is ice hockey, and ice hockey is being played on. Sorry, ice hockey is the origin of Canada. Okay, so that is Canada is known as mini Punjab. Okay, so जो ice hockey है तो कौन सी कंट्री का ओरिजिन है? So ice hockey is the origin of Canada. Okay, so because देखिए जो कनाडा है इस वेरी मतलब वो वहाँ पे जो ठंड है बहुत ज़्यादा, इट्स वेरी चिल्ड कंट्री. वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा ठंड, वहाँ पे बहुत ठंड, सबसे ज़्यादा नहीं कह सकते बट वहाँ पे बहुत ठंड पड़ती है. ठीक है, the people मतलब the life for the people from the Canada is a little bit very difficult from our lives because they have to face the snowfall through most of the time in the year. Okay, so that's why this ice hockey is is also the origin of the Canada. Okay, so ice hockey is the origin of Canada. That is the fifth one, that is ice hockey. And ice hockey is the origin of Canada. CANADA. Ice hockey is the origin of Canada. Sixth one. The sixth game is golf. Now I am talking about the next game, that is golf. So what is golf? Golf कौन सी गेम है बेटा? सो देखिए, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया पोलो गेम के बारे में. सो दिस इज लिटिल बिट सिमिलर टू द पोलो. Okay, so the polo is being played while riding the horse, whereas the golf is being played on the ground. Okay, while standing on the ground. ठीक है, तो golf में जो पोलो होती है उसमें तो horse riding करते हुए they have to hit the ball with the stick, but in the golf this is also just like polo, they have to hit the ball. Okay, with the clubs. Okay, so clubs वो रहता है जो हॉकी की जो sticks होती हैं, that is known as clubs. So they have to hit the balls with the clubs. Okay, and there are certain holes on the and this golf game is played on a grassy ground. ये grassy ground के ऊपर खेली जाती है. Okay, so there are certain holes that are being made on the ground. Okay, and the person who hits the ball to the nearest to that hole, okay, in the less number of strikes, that person is considered as the winner. और जो प्लेयर, जो गोल्फर होता है, जो सबसे कम स्ट्राइक्स में उस बॉल को उस होल के पास लेके आता है, सबसे कम नंबर ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स में, दैट गोल्फर इज कंसिडर्ड एज द विनर. ओके, उनको क्या बोल रहा था, ही इज कंसिडर्ड एज द विनर. So in which country this golf has been originated? So the golf is the origin of Scotland. So golf is the origin of Scotland. So golf is the origin of Scotland. Scotland. Golf is the origin of Scotland. Okay, moving next to the 7th one. The next is chess. Okay, so next is chess. So chess is the origin of India. चेस कौन सी कंट्री का ओरिजिन है? हमारी खुद की कंट्री इंडिया का. सो देखिए जो चेस की गेम है that is been originated in India. Okay, and it is inspired from a ancient game that is चतुरंगा. चतुरंगा नाम की एक गेम थी. ओके, वो भी ऐसे एक स्क्वायर बॉक्स के ऊपर स्क्वायर टेबल के ऊपर खेली जाती थी. ठीक है, जिसमें कि क्या होता था कि इसमें भी दे आर हैविंग व्हाट वी कॉल इट, जस्ट लाइक दिस प्लेयर्स होते थे, मतलब ये जो ये हॉर्सेस वगैरह होते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट दे आर हैविंग द प्लेयर्स. So from this, you can say that this chess is the modern version of Chaturanga. Chaturanga game that was also played on a board by the people from the ancient time, like the kings. They used to play Chaturanga. Okay, but now it has been little bit innovation has brought, and इसको जो चतुरंगा है now it is उसी से inspire होकर the chess has been originated. Okay, so chess is the origin of our own country, that is India. So the chess game is the origin of India. Chess is the origin of India. Chess is the origin of India. 8th one, that is the last, that is lawn tennis. Okay, so in which country the lawn tennis has been originated? So जो lawn tennis game है वो कौन सी country से origin हुआ है उसका? So the lawn tennis has been originated from France. So the lawn tennis has been originated from France. Okay, so lawn tennis, okay, that is being, okay, the French Open आपने सुना होगा. Okay, this is the main मतलब जो फ्रांस का है, and this is one of the championship from the Grand Slam. जो Grand Slam है उसमें से this French Open is also one of them. Okay, so this lawn tennis in which two players they play opposite each other, and there is a net behind them, and they have to hit the ball so that the other player that is standing before him or before them, they are not able to hit the ball. तो अगर जो next जो सामने जो player है वो उनकी जो strike की हुई ball को hit नहीं कर पाता with their racket, so जो opposite member है उस जो opposite player है उसको है जो score मिल जाता है. Okay, so this is lawn tennis. So lawn tennis is the origin of France. So the last one is lawn tennis. Lawn tennis. So lawn tennis is the origin of France. So lawn tennis is the origin of France. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 8. You can just pause your videos here and note it down in the notebooks. Okay, chaliye moving next to page number 51. Okay, that is also related to the sports. Okay, so now we will move to the next topic because we are having some more time left. So we will move to the next topic, that is cups and trophies, given at page number 51. Okay, the topic is cups and trophies, given at page number 51. That is cups and trophies. Cups and trophies given at page number 51. Okay, so what is it? Cups and trophies क्या है ये बेटा? So let's see here. What games are these cups and trophies associated with? So as you can see, there are number of pictures of various cups and trophies is given, and you have to mention with which sports this particular cups and trophies has been associated with. तो कौन से particular sports से जो ये cups and trophies जो दिए हुए हैं, इनके pictures दी हुई किससे associated है? Okay, starting with the first one. FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Okay, ये जैसे जो वर्ल्ड कप होता है फुटबॉल का उसको बोलते हैं फीफा वर्ल्ड कप. सो द फीफा वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी इज एसोसिएटेड विद फुटबॉल. फीफा वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी इज एसोसिएटेड विद फुटबॉल. Second is the picture of the Davis Cup. So the Davis Cup is associated with which sport? So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. So this is one of the championships, or you can say this is one of the cups, okay, that is associated with the lawn tennis. So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Third one, Ashes. The third is the Ashes. So the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. The Ashes trophy is associated with which sports? That is associated with cricket. Okay, so the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. So the Ashes Cup, or you can say Ashes trophy, is associated with cricket. Next, the next is Musketeers Trophy. The name of the next trophy is Musketeers Trophy. So the Musketeers Trophy is associated with again lawn tennis only. So Musketeers Trophy जो है वो भी किस स्पोर्ट से associated है? Lawn tennis. The fourth is lawn tennis. The fifth one is a very common, you must be knowing, that is ICC World Cup. Okay, so the ICC World Cup is associated with which sports? So ICC World Cup is associated with cricket. ICC World Cup is associated with cricket. Moving to the sixth one, that is the Ranji Trophy. So Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. So Ranji Trophy to कौन से स्पोर्ट से associated है? Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Okay. So these are the names of the various sports with which these various sports cups are associated. चलिए. So here in the B part, some blanks are given. Now we will do that one also. So the blank says, the first blank is, who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? किस टीम ने 2014 में FIFA World Cup, that is associated with football, किसने जीता था? So in the 2014 FIFA World Cup was won by Germany. So the answer of the first one is Germany. Germany. FIFA World Cup is associated with, is won by Germany. Second one, where was the first cricket World Cup held? सबसे पहला cricket World Cup कहाँ हुआ था? So the first cricket World Cup was held in England. The first cricket World Cup was held in England. Third one, who won the Wimbledon men's single title in the year 2016? तो 2016 में men's single Wimbledon is the sports that is associated with, so it's the championship that is associated with lawn tennis. तो 2016 में जो men's singles हुआ था Wimbledon में, वो कौन से lawn tennis player ने जीता था? So that was won by Andy Murray. The answer is Andy Murray. So Andy Murray has won the 2016 Wimbledon men's singles title. Okay. Fourth one. The fourth is, who won the Formula 1 World Championship in the year 2015? तो 2015 में जो Formula 1 कार रेसिंग होती है Formula 1 कार से, किसने जीता था? So in 2015 the Formula 1 World Championship was won by Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton. So the answer is Lewis, L-E-W-I-S. Lewis Hamilton. Okay. Fifth one. That is the last one as well. Which country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps belong to? ओके जो माइकल फिलिप्स है, ही इज एसोसिएटेड विद स्विमिंग, ही इज जस्ट लेजेंड इन स्विमिंग, ही हैज मेड द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ मेडल्स, गोल्ड मेडल्स इन ओलंपिक्स। तो इन्होंने दुनिया में आज तक सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड जीते हैं, मेडल जीते हैं ओलंपिक्स में। ओके, सो किस कंट्री को बिलोंग करते हैं? सो द माइकल फेल्प्स बिलोंग्स टू यूएसए, ही बिलोंग्स टू यूएसए, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। Okay, so this is the answer of the B part from page number 51. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.